Get ready for the dictation at the rate of 40 words per minute. Dictation passage PDF link is in description box. Please like and share the video. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, start. The debate on planning is a truly national occasion, and I am glad that honorable members have taken it seriously, even though there has been much criticism. We have got used to such criticism. First, it used to be on the very concept of planning. Fortunately, that stage is over and we have come to a phase of development when all parties, I hope, approve of the idea of planning. Some have approved of some portions of the plan but have reserved their criticism for the manner in which many programs have been implemented. There are some who do not at all approve of the manner in which we plan. Now, obviously, each one of us stand for certain ideas and for certain methods of functioning. We have considerable thought and deliberation decided on the sort of planning commission which we should have and the manner in which it should work. The planning commission consists of independent, non-party, non-political experts, but even they are not solely responsible for the plan. The plan is drawn up on the basis of numerous discussions with people at different levels for from every single state. And finally, the plan takes its final shape in the National Development Council, in which all the chief ministers, many of them belonging to other parties, sat together and express their views. It is true that at these meetings there is also disagreement, not normally on the method of planning, but more about how much each state should get. We all know that none of our programs are adequate for our population's need. At all times, there has to be a balancing between available resources and what our people need. I think should be done for them, or even what should be done for one area or another. By and large, the plan is a character of progress for the next 4 years. We have some idea of how it has functioned already since it has been in existence for a year. Although this formal discussion on the final plan is taking place, how we had a very fine discussion when the plan was settled in to a draft stage. An honorable member said that there was no sense of urgency in the plan. I would like to say that this is not correct. I think that is the difference between the draft outline and the final document. Stop.